She's pretty tired, Carl.
Hi, Olivia. Hi.
Who's that? Who's that? Gotta give her a minute to wake up, Carl. She was sound asleep.
Oh, God.
Sorry, Olivia.
Mommy wanted me to get you up.
Hi.
Her pants do look cute rolled up, don't they?
You gotta give her a few minutes, Carl. I think the light's hard on her because the room was so dark. Who is that?
Hi.
Who is that?
Jerk who got you to wake me up.
Oh, let's get it. Wait a minute. That's not one. There.
Hi.
You say hi?
Now you got them both up.
Hi, Olivia.
That's alright, because you're going to be with my mom and go shopping, right? So she'll have to deal.
Say hi to your daddy.
Olivia, where's your nose?
She's really was sleeping,
Where's your
Carl.
nose, Olivia? Where's Daddy's nose?
She won't even look at the computer right now, Carl.
She's zoned out.
She's mad.
I don't think she looks mad, she just looks tired.
Say hi, Pops.
Where's Daddy's nose, Olivia?
I don't think you're gonna get anything, Carl.
Peekaboo.
Uh-oh. Did I see a smile?
Yeah.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
That's kind of like the noise that we saw today. Didn't we see? What did we see today? Carl, ask her about what the animals we saw today.
Where'd you
Did
see?
you see animals today? Did you see a cow today?
She even touched the cow's ear.
Wow.
Did you see a gorilla yesterday?
Likes tails and ears.
Did you see the dinosaurs?
And tongues.
She was scared of the
she does.
dinosaurs.
Yeah, she does. But she gets so she
was
sits there
scared.
and Lulu's got like longer fur on her tail, you know. So she just puts her hand or her foot, whatever. So it brushes her. She just likes the
softness
yeah.
of it.